Have you got instructions how to use?
Oh, you're the one that said you know how to use it.
Yeah, but the one we used didn't have fucking 3 buttons on it, did it? It's just on and off.
Hey guys, so today's going to be a different style of video. We're going to be installing these bad boys on my EP2. My buddies are coming round later to give me a hand with the car. I'll be swapping my old coilovers into my friend's EP3 and putting these brand new yellow speed coilovers into mine. I hear you, I think help's arrived. Let's go have a look. Hello!
Good morning.
What have you got?
I've got the tools in as the shopping bag, mate. I bought the beast.
Oh, that's fucking spot on.
I forgot to put the little one, but I'll do it. Got extension leads, axle stands.
Headlights as well.
Yeah, still ain't got the plugs, so.
So he's just carrying them.
Yeah, well, I don't want to put them in the house because knowing Rob, he will just snap it.
What the fuck is he doing?
Coming up in front of me, I guess. The weirdest possible angle.
Alright, I'll take these inside. I had to put the car here because it's the most
Yeah, I
level
could have put
ground.
mine next to yours.
Yeah, you could have.
It would have been a straight thingy.
Yeah, you just took the piss.
I was up at 8:30.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
was I was up at 8.
I was up at I set my alarm at 8.
Look at these fucking noobs. Especially him.
Yeah. That's it. Ready? That's not ready yet.
Good morning.
Have you got instructions how to use?
Oh, you're the one that said you know how to use it.
Yeah, but the one we used didn't have fucking 3 buttons on it, did it? It's just on and off.
What?
That's better.
Oh, that's fine.
It's still a bit foamy, but
Nah, I think you're gonna have to do it again.
that's alright, we got plenty. Yep, that's just foam.
Oh, so attempt number 2 failed.
Everything's gonna fail, mate. If 1 and 2 fail.
I think the suspension's gonna take all day then.
Well, I need the coffee. On me and I'll fucking kill you. Nice try.
Where the fuck is a 14 mil?
Up my ass. Oh, Rob, whoever's got more power.
What's up?
No, that's not.
I'm the cameraman.
He's the cameraman.
I'm not
Hold the hub.
Hold the hub?
Yeah. And get ready for impact. You're holding it, yeah?
Yeah. What? Up.
Yeah, it's gonna come off.
They won't even fucking move. Look, it doesn't even move, mate. For fuck's sake.
Okay.
What?
I was looking at the wrong one.
I just gave you the fucking thing without the gun.
I don't even need the fucking extension.
Do you not?
No.
Oh, shit. I do. This is what happens when you rush things.
I'm not rushing anybody. Hurry the fuck up.
It's gonna rain, man.
Exactly. You're gonna hold that, what, bolt or?
What bolt?
Grab the 17
Oh
and
shit,
span it.
yeah,
Cheers,
yeah.
mate.
Fuck. my
Cheers.
bad.
It's alright. Cunt. You ready to?
I'm fucking ready, mate. Come at me. Oi! Fucking sick.
And we got the gun stuck.
Oh, you did? I like how you keep saying we.
Because we working together, you
yeah.
dick. I hope I was on the reflex point, you would have fucking knocked me out. Ding! Can I have the spanner?
I'm really bad cameraman. You are?
You're laughing, you're moving your hand. Come on, give me the fucking spanner.
I can't just not laugh.
Spanner, kurwa, that's a ratchet! Come on.
What is the fucking
Barbecue?
Yeah.
Right up there. Oh, for fuck's sake, I just got the key as well.
Why'd you get the key, mate?
Because I thought it was locked.
What a twat.
Who said bra? What? Did you go bra?
No, he did.
Cold, bitch.
Imagine white doors behind.
Do you wanna cook with that, yeah? Or you want coal? Yeah, you might wanna get that as well, mate.
I'm not a fucking cook, mate.
Well, we're not a phoenix either. We don't go from ashes. Yeah.
So the car is finally done. It took us 12 hours to complete, but they're both done. Roland's gone home now, so it's just me. There's only the alignment left to do. I think I'll go for a fast road setup. I need to find some good places that do it, but once it's done, it should be a beast after that. It doesn't move a single inch, so that'll be quite exciting to see when we take it on the road.
Yeah.
Put it on the hardest setting, so I think as soon as I get out, I'll fucking put it on soft straight away.
Tell me about it. I'm really excited to see what Paolo's going to do next to you.
Got a couple of other things coming for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Please like, comment and subscribe.
See you later.
Bye!